તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ।
नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं
President Draupadi Murmu on 7th June invited Narendra Modi to form government at the centre. PM-designate Modi met President Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and staked a claim to form the government. PM-designate Modi, who will sworn in for the third successive term, was fed dahichini by the president. In Indian culture, eating dahichini is considered auspicious before undertaking important tasks or starting a new venture. Earlier in the day, Narendra Modi was chosen as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) parliamentary party. The president will administer the oath of office and secrecy to the Prime Minister and other members of the Union Council of Ministers on 9th June.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે। બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન।